Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a portfolio collection on Wix. If you're a creative professional, freelancer, or business owner looking to showcase your work beautifully, this feature will help you display your projects in a clean, organized way that impresses potential clients. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your sites and settings. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. This will take you to the overview page for your websites. From this page, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website where you want to add your portfolio collection. If you manage multiple sites, it's important to verify you're working on the right one before making any changes. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct site, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Wix website editor, which is where all the magic happens for customizing your site's design and functionality. Now that you're in the Wix website editor, shift your focus to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to locate the Add Apps button and click on it. This is a crucial step because apps are what extend your website's capabilities beyond the basic features. The menu will expand and present you with a list of all the apps you can add and use to customize your website design. From this expanded menu, locate the search bar at the top. In the search bar, type in Wix Portfolio and hit Enter. You'll see several results appear, but you're looking for the one with the description "Showcase your work in beautiful portfolio." Once you spot it, click on it. You'll now be directed to the app's overview page. Here, Wix provides detailed information about the portfolio app, including its features, capabilities, and pricing structure. Take a moment to read through these details to ensure this app meets your needs. Some features might be free, while others could require a premium plan, so it's good to know what you're getting. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, click on the Add to Site button. The app will begin installing. This process might take a little while depending on your internet connection and the app size, so be patient and let it complete without interrupting. Once the installation finishes, you'll notice that a new portfolio page has been automatically added to your website. From here, you can start customizing the preview of this portfolio page. You'll be able to add your own work, upload images of your projects, write descriptions, and organize everything in a way that best represents your brand and talents. And that's it. You've successfully added a portfolio collection to your Wix website, giving you a professional platform to showcase your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.